Hi guys, so I wanted to go over larger numbers with you and a number that might give you some difficulty, 12s and 13s. But guys, remember I talked earlier about how we can manipulate numbers and how, I don't know if you guys got to see that video, so let me go over it again. We can manipulate numbers. That's what we do when we do known facts. We pull out what we already know to make the number easier. And this was something I used to do with my oldest daughter who had trouble memorizing her multiplication facts in 3rd grade. She would cry, we tried flashcards, but then when I realized if I broke the numbers down for her, it was a lot easier for her. And as she started to realize that she could manipulate the numbers and she could put them into bite-sized chunks, she began to really enjoy math. She went from really not liking it at all and tears and staying upset about it to enjoying it. And as a lot of my guys know, my oldest daughter has a degree in biology now and she's a vet tech. So every day she deals with science and math. So you can learn to love math as she did. She loves math now. She loved it all through school after about the 4th grade when she got a hang of really manipulating these numbers. And you'll learn to love it too because math is an everyday thing. So let's look at these. So what if we have an equation such as 5 times 12? How do we break that down into something that's more manageable? So as we see from up here, we would say that that is 5 times 10 plus 5 times 2. And 5 times 10, any number times 10 will be that number plus the 0 for the 10 spot. So that would be 50 plus 5 times 2. We know that's pretty easy. Just double 5 would be 10. So 5, 10. So 50 plus 10 is 60. So 5 times 12 would be 60. Let's look at 13. So we broke that down. So let's use another number like 3. 3 times 13. So that would break down into 3 times 10 plus 3 times 3. 3 times 10, again, the number plus the 0 for the 10 spot, so that's 30. 3 times 3, double 3s. If we don't know our 3s, we can double it. Or if we do know our 3s, then it's 3, 6, 9. So 13 times 3 would be 30 plus 9, which is 39. So that would be 39. And if we want to check it, my friends, we do what? That's division. So let's check 39 divided by 3. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 9. 3, 6, 9, 3 times. So do our answers match up? 3 and 13, 3 and 13, 39. Boom. All right, I hope that helps you with what known fact is, and I hope it helps you with breaking down those larger numbers for multiplication and division. We are not going to do those lessons in our chapter. That would be redundant, which means we already know it, we just didn't know we knew it. So if you use this, you will know it. And I will see you again with more math facts after the spring break when we get into fractions.